I'm getting carried, bro. I'm getting carried. Terrence. We dropped the tier 4.
Damn.
It's bad. Yo. Huh? I got gum.
Yo, that's not food. Drink water.
I got gum.
We're tier 1. We're gonna get smacked down and dropped down, yo.
Nice pass, Aaron!
We actually went 4-0 that day.
That's so high.
Yeah. The McMaster guys, I don't know what it was the problem. They just fucking up. And then the Straw Hats team, they had like 2-3 subs, but they ended up staying tier 2. It's the Mac guys that dropped.
Wait, so okay, you guys want to tier 1 to go?
Yeah. And then I'm assuming the Sheridan guys, they went down.
Yeah, probably.
It's always those two that
Yeah,
stay.
that was kind of super.
No matter what.
That's not gonna change. Unless they're having like a really bad day. Unless they're having a really bad day. Hey, it could change on Tuesday. It could change on Tuesday, man.
I can jump up that high now.
Bro, don't doubt yourself, bro. You got it. The team is actually good. I think you guys clapped us twice, so I don't know.
It's hard though because our girl center, Tiana, great setter, but she doesn't jump on the wall.
Did she come in on Tuesday?
I think so, yeah. We didn't have her last week.
Yeah, I don't think she's a fan of me. But,
Really?
Yeah. You remember the last time we played? Yeah. Okay, so you know how it was like 25%, right? I was always I'm thinking it's just a joke, right? So as we were like dying coming up after again, I was like, yo, I fucking made you as a joke, right? So then the other girl on the team, she went to her, and then she turned back at me and started hurting me. I'm like, whoa. I didn't do nothing by her. Have something against you.
Well, the other girl's pretty chill though. I'm not gonna
Yeah, no, but she's like, yo, I'll fight you for it. I'm like, no, it's a joke. I don't mean it. It's calm. So, yeah, she's probably not a fan of me. Let's look at it. You're good.
That's a 16.
Yeah. What's your you guys?
Oh, sick.
I'm getting carried.
Is this the final?
No. I think this is
Week 5 and 6? Okay. So I think we got like 4 more left. Ours, I think we're 4 and 0 right now. So we got 2 more games to play. We might finish at 5 based on how more defensive goal. What are you doing? Just a rush?
Yeah, I'm just just doing like a friendly.
Those are always good. It's crazy to see all kinds come from season 1, right?
I know, right?
We were stuck in tier 3 the entire season.
Yeah.
It was so bad.
I see your teams though, like being here and there. Like I see you guys play, you guys are just saying.
Just come out and set it. That's it. That's it.
We met, but like
I know. We never asked each other's names.
Yeah,
That's why I asked. Yeah, because I won season 2 for men. That's not even my business. He doesn't win season 2 if you win championship. So he doesn't run the competition. So championship, and then we got the customer. I don't know if they have that. Go, Howie, let's go. We're just waiting for the last 2.
OT them.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Right on our last 2. Did you win?
Yeah, we beat them twice. Like with that, it's not even like you can cheat. They just set it everywhere. So you literally, if you're late, you just have to stay there
Yeah.
and then just get up. Like you can't even get there on time. The only way you know if it's gonna cheat
But they're always on like the spot. Even when they're getting OT, they're actually there.
they're always here. The fact that they can make positions is crazy.
Yeah. Yo, let's go down 4! can't tell her.
Nice. Oh, just kidding.
Hey. Pretty good. You?
Good.
Cheering for.
No, don't even ask. Don't ask.
So you're saying you're back together?
Things kind of stay away. But I'm going back home, so hopefully physical distance. You know.
It's more of a.
Don't tell myself that though.
But, you heard that.
No! Oh shit! Oh, he's not watching this!
And he's definitely gonna watch it.
Whoa!
We're gonna come at 14. 14. 14.
I love you. Love you, Jake.
Ah.